Today I'm going to be making a very rich dark chocolate ganache, but we're going to be using salted butter in this recipe today. I have 200 grams of dark chocolate. This is 72% cocoa, 120 grams of salted butter, and also 125 milliliters of heavy cream. This is whipping cream. This is 35% cream. And for those of us not using grams, this is a half a cup of whipping cream, a half a cup of salted butter, and about 1.5 cups of dark chocolate. I'm going to place a glass bowl on there. I'll get in all of my chocolate and my butter. And then our heavy cream. And that's 35% cream, that's whipping cream. And all I want to do now is let a little bit of heat get into the bowl. It's going to slowly and gently melt that whole mixture together. So this has been going for maybe 3 minutes or so, and everything is starting to really come together. And I can just grab a little whisk and just slowly incorporate some of the ingredients. And this looks really nice. So we'll let that go a little bit longer, and I'll be back. This is a couple minutes later, and you can see everything has really come together really nicely. And you can see how liquidy this is right now, but as this cools down, it will get rather thick. And if you place this into the fridge, it will actually become so thick that you can actually scoop it. So I'll remove that from our hot water bath. So at this point you can see how liquidy this is. It's very thin, and you're wondering, how am I ever going to pour this over a cake? Well, I'm going to pop this into the fridge. It's going to thicken up, and I'll come back a little later on and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is about an hour later. You can see how nice this is. This is perfect right now to pour over a cake, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using this in another video, and I'm going to be covering the cake with this exact ganache. There's a link at the end of this video and also in the description box. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.